So it's me, guys, again. So just as I was showing the last time, I have a new door sills. This one looks way much better now. I mean, other than the bad cut over here that I did it. Only if they hadn't made it the way I wanted to. So this is the new one. And this is the old one. Which one looks better? I'll show you at night how it looks like later. And also I did this. It's time to start working on the inside. So remember how I said it last time? I want to do the seats. I want to do this part of the seat red. I'm gonna do the whole thing, but this is gonna be red. This is gonna be red. This armrest is gonna be red. I'm just not sure if I want this like carbon fiber red style. I want like just red, not carbon fiber, whatever, you know, like plain red without these like stripes, whatever that is. So it matches, you know, the whole interior. So that's it. I did this, I did that side. I still gotta do it on the back. I'm still thinking if I'm gonna do this, the middle console, the radio. I'm still thinking about if I'm gonna do like this also. Maybe not, we'll see. I'm still waiting on some lights, which I'm gonna add. Don't mind my mess. Which I'm gonna add some lights over here. I'm just waiting for some I bought some different lights from Diode Dynamics, because this one, it's not the way exactly I want it. So over here is gonna show different. I just gotta wait for when they're coming. Saturday, next Saturday, maybe Sunday I'll do it, and then I'll have something else to show you guys for next week. Until then, I'll show you later how this looks like at night. It looks way much better, and I'll see you guys in the next. This is the old one, or the first one I made. And now this is the second one I made. I mean, I installed it. No, I didn't make it. I just installed it. It's a lot of difference. Okay, so this is the other light that I'm going to put it in on the door that I was showing early. I don't know if you can see the logo. This is the back side. This is going to be the front side showing. I'm just not going to take the tape because I don't want to scratch any of the like the mirror side. But this is where the LED was. So I took this one out because it wasn't working properly. I did complain to the website again. I'm still waiting on an answer, but I'm gonna do something different. I bought an LED from Diode Dynamics website, way much better. And I'm gonna add dim lights from over here. So it's gonna be like steady on all the time. I do gonna have to cut it probably like the corners on the bottom to fit on the door, but we'll see how that goes. And those are the other two, the rear doors that I'm gonna do the red carbon fiber. I'm gonna do it for now, see how it looks, but I might change it later. And hope you guys like it. Let me know any questions, comment, like, share. I appreciate it watching. Thank you.